You can't justify that. You can justify it in the streets. You can't justify it in court. So I want all of you to understand that what flies on social media and in the comment section on Facebook does not fly in a courtroom in front of a jury and a judge. And a lot of you need to understand that, especially you black folks, because I know where we come from, and we come from this, having this mentality. And white people, some of you, this applies to as well, but I'm not white. So I'm just speaking from the black experience, especially the black male experience, is that we come from this environment, many of us, especially if you're from the hood, where it's attack or be attacked. And if you aren't someone who poses themselves as a threat, then you may be attacked yourself. And again, on the playground, there's one set of rules. In the courtroom, there's another set of rules. Don't be stupid. So there's a continuum of force. This is also a legal term. Continuum of force. So I gave you the example. Let's say I'm in a mall, right? And some guy tries to walk up to me and shake my hand. I don't want to talk to him. I don't know who he is. I don't want to talk to him. So he keeps following me. I don't want to shake his hand. I go in the store where I'm not walking away anymore. Now he keeps walking up to me. I don't want to shake his hand. I could do something like cuss him out. I could do something like push him. I could do something like punch him in the face. I could do something like pull out my burner and use it to disable him. I could do something like pull out a knife and stab him. I could do something like pull out a gun and shoot him and possibly kill him. There's a continuum of force. You'll see that there's different levels of force. And if you go higher up on that continuum of force, you must justify every level you go up. You got to justify why you did that. And if you can't justify it, again, you might end up in prison because of what you did. Someone does something to you, even if they are trying to provoke you, however you respond, you cannot just claim self-defense. Even if you do think you are defending yourself, that will land you in jail. Even if you can justify it. You can justify it in your mind. You're sitting in jail justifying in your mind why you did what you did. Okay, 20 years from now, you'll be out and you can tell the world how you can justify your behavior. Don't be stupid. Some people are asking why this case is no different, as we already mentioned, a few cases. Daniel Penny in New York, Kyle Rittenhouse in Wisconsin, let's remember that one. And what's the other one? George Zimmerman in Florida. Well, I already told you, number one, this case that we're talking about here today happened in the state of Texas. Texas has their own laws. The state of Wisconsin, Kyle Rittenhouse, they have laws. The state of New York, Daniel Penny, they have laws. The state of Florida, George Zimmerman, they have laws. Is there a self-defense law in every state? On some level, yes. But again, they are all interpreted very differently. Every law is written specifically differently by lawyers. If you're not a lawyer and you don't want to learn how to read laws, you got to let your lawyer decide that.